Number 1. 1996 Ford F-250 XL 7.3 POWERSTROKE, $1,900, Beacon Hill, Seattle, Washington. This 1996 Ford F-250 XL is powered by the highly regarded 7.3-liter POWERSTROKE diesel V8 paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It shows 215,000 miles and carries a clean Washington title. The 7.3 POWERSTROKE is widely known for long-term durability and reliability. Recent upgrades include injectors, turbocharger, fuel system components, glow plugs, oil cooler, and a performance tuning chip. A high-rise canopy is included, making this mechanically refreshed diesel work truck a strong value at $1,900. Number 2. 1966 Chevrolet Cheyenne C20, $4,000, Washington County, Oregon. This 3/4-ton 1966 Chevrolet C20 is equipped with a 1970s-era 350 cubic inch V8 and manual transmission. It shows 340,000 miles and carries a reconstructed Oregon title due to previous rear damage. The truck runs and drives, but requires rear stabilizer repair and intake tuning. It presents an affordable opportunity to own a mid-1960s Chevrolet pickup. Number 3. 1995 Ford F-150, $4,500, Lisle, Illinois. Powered by the dependable 5.0-liter V8 and automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive 1995 Ford F-150 shows 175,000 miles with a clean Illinois title. Recent brakes and tires, functional air conditioning, tow package, and updated audio system enhance daily usability. Minor rust and cosmetic wear are consistent with age, but it remains a solid example of a 1990s classic truck. Number 4. 1986 Ford F-250 four-wheel drive XL Clubcab, $4,000, Bayfield, Colorado. This four-wheel drive 1986 Ford F-250 XL Clubcab is powered by a 460 cubic inch gasoline V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It shows 236,647 miles and carries a clean Colorado title. Equipped with a fifth-wheel hitch and heavy-duty accessories, it maintains a strong reputation as a capable towing and work truck. Number 5. 1987 Ford F-250 Diesel, $6,800, Los Angeles, California. This 1987 Ford F-250 is powered by the durable 6.9-liter diesel V8 paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows 52,373 miles, and it carries a clean California title. Featuring dual fuel tanks and exempt from emissions requirements, it represents a simple and dependable late 1980s diesel work truck in well-kept condition. Number 6. 1976 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale Stepside, $7,000, Galena, Illinois. This short bed, 1976 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, is equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 and turbo 350 automatic transmission, driving the rear wheels. It shows approximately 63,000 miles and carries a clean Illinois title. Factory air conditioning, power steering, and recent maintenance items add practicality. Although some rust is present, stepside models remain desirable among collectors. Number 7. 1951 Ford F3 3/4 ton, $12,500, Phoenix, Arizona. Powered by its original 239 cubic inch flathead V8 and manual transmission, this barn-find 1951 Ford F3 shows 32,000 miles and has a clean Arizona title. It runs but requires brakes, tires, upholstery, and replacement bedwood. With classic early 1950s Ford styling, it offers strong restoration potential. Number 8. 1936 Chevrolet Pick Up, $20,000, Puyallup, Washington. This recently restored 1936 Chevrolet Pick Up features a fresh 350 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission and has fewer than 500 miles since completion. It includes a new wood bed, updated wheels, and additional spare parts. Combining pre-war styling with modern performance, it is well suited for shows or cruising. Number 9. 1951 GMC Truck, $12,000, Lakebay, Washington. This frame-off restored 1951 GMC is powered by a resultant 16 cubic inch inline 6 paired with a manual transmission. It carries a clean Washington title and is described as rust-free and running well. The truck offers authentic early 1950s General Motors styling with dependable vintage character. Number 10. 1949 Chevrolet 3600 3/4 ton, $18,000, Garden City, Idaho. This 1949 Chevrolet 3600 is powered by a 1954 235 cubic inch Blue Flame inline 6 engine and manual transmission. Showing 28,000 miles with a clean Idaho title, it has been converted to a 12-volt electrical system while retaining original interior elements. Minor fluid leaks are noted, typical for a truck of this era. Number 11. 1965 Chevrolet Pick Up, $17,000, Flagler, Colorado. This 1965 Chevrolet Pick Up is upgraded with a 383 cubic inch stroker V8 featuring aluminum components, dual exhaust, and a new 2-speed PowerGlide automatic transmission. It carries a clean Colorado title and includes documented upgrades. The combination of strong performance and desirable mid-1960s styling enhances its appeal. Number 12. 1973 Custom Datsun 620 V8 4-wheel drive, 19,750s, Beverly Hills, California. This 1973 Datsun 620 has been extensively customized with a built small block Chevrolet V8, automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive conversion. With significant investment and a clean California title, it blends compact Japanese pickup styling with American V8 performance. Number 13. 1978 Ford Short Bed, $16,800, Tempe, Arizona. This rear-wheel drive 1978 Ford Short Bed pickup is powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 36,000 miles and carrying a clean Arizona title, it remains largely original with only minor cosmetic wear. Late 1970s short bed Ford trucks continue to gain collector interest, making this example especially appealing.